Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. My name's Brendan and today we're going to learn the catcher's spin. This is an easy beginner's move that requires a strong knee hook. I recommend starting at least 3 or 4 climbs up as we'll be lowering down into this pose. You can also turn this move into a nice beginner spin. First up, I'll show you the move in full and then we'll break it down step by step. If you guys find these tutorials helpful, make sure you subscribe and turn on the bell so you're notified every time I upload. Alright, let's get started, and remember, you've got this. Start from at least 3 or 4 climbs so you have enough height. Invert into a same side hook, making sure your knee is above your hand. Reaching overhead, find the tail end of the silks and bring it down to your low back, making sure the tail is wrapped tight and neat before wrapping your left knee twice. After the first wrap, you can use both hands to do the second. Bring the tail to the back of your knee and then flex hard to pinch the silks. It's important that you have a strong grip on the silks with your knee as this is what's going to hold you in place. You can now start your spin. If you want to know more about spinning on silks, check out my spin secrets video in the top right corner. When you're ready to come down into the pose, reach up to the pole end of the silks and unhook your right knee. As you lower down, make sure you keep your left knee bent, pinching the silks to hold you in place. Allow the pole to come into your right armpit and then straighten out both arms to pose. To exit, bring both arms up to the silks, pull up slightly, straighten your left leg and let the silks unravel. Then come back to a climb. I hope you found this tutorial on the catcher's spin helpful. As always, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.